Hi again, my dear students. How are you today? Well, another site that I highly recommend you is this one, bidi.unam.mx. Okay, you click here and then you have all of this for you. Okay, what are we going to do here? Let's see, for example, here we have, well, let me tell you that, for example, if I click here in iniciar sesión, it says registro de nuevos usuarios. And then we have libros electrónicos, revistas digitales, bases de datos. Let's see about bases de datos. For example, you want to go to Enciclopedia Británica. Let's click here. Británica, well, Encyclopedia. Let's click on búsqueda británica. A ver, británica. Okay, here, acceso por Enciclopedia Británica. And then it is going to open, okay? So here we have article browse, media browse, biographies. Let's click on media browse. Media browse, we have animals, earth, arts and literature. For example, in unit 2, we are going to go here because you're going to work with some painting. And society, science, earth. Well, in society, also in unit 1, your cultural aspects, you're going to look for one country, government, law, peoples of the world, political system, social sciences. Well, let's see, peoples of the world. Let's see, people of Africa, of Australia. Well, this is very far away. Wow. Well, here we have all images or videos. Let's check for videos. Let's see how about videos. Overview of the Hawaiian tradition of canoes, tattoos, and the hula. A tour of the area, an overview of Australia. Well, let's click on here. And
the Aborigines have been in Australia for between 45 to 50,000 years.
Okay, so pay attention to this, it's very important. You can practice the listening, and also the text is there for you to practice. You can copy the link to go over there, or you can email. And, well, sometimes they ask you, let me see, where is it? Sometimes they ask you to have an account. Well, this is my account because I am academic, but registro para alumnos, let's see, número de cuenta, género, nivel. So, click here, estudiante de bachillerato, which campus, prepa 1, bachillerato, I am not a robot, you give it send and you close it, and that's it. And then you can have access to these very important places like Britannica, National Geographic, and so on, okay? Encyclopedia Britannica, National, let's see, National Geographic, okay, you can see. And it's very simple, but it's important that you have your account. But be sure, please, please, I beg you, by experience, write it down, do an archive, a file where you write all the numbers of account or the places, your email, the password, and so on, to keep on working, because sometimes you can say, oh, I'm going to write it, and after that, well, what was the password? I can't find it. No, 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 no. Just keep it very safe, okay? Please promise that you're going to do this well. Here, examinar tema, you click on here. We have environments, animals, science. Well, it's very excited and it's very exciting at the same time, okay? So this is another place for you to work instead of your book, okay? Like if it was your book. Bye for now.